Choose patterns and prints thoughtfully, as the wrong ones can make you appear smaller. Vertical stripes or pinstripes can give the illusion of added height. Stick to darker colors, as they have a SL aiming effect. When it comes to trousers, opt for a tailored fit with a slight break at the shoe's top to elongate your legs. Title: Dress for your body type, Men's Fashion Tips. Introduction, 100 words. When it comes to fashion, understanding your body type is crucial. Men's fashion goes far beyond just choosing the latest trends. Dressing to flatter your physique can enhance your overall appearance and boost your confidence. By paying attention to your body shape, you can make smart clothing choices that highlight your best features and create a well-balanced silhouette. In this article, we'll delve into different body types and provide invaluable fashion tips to help men dress more stylishly and feel more comfortable in their own skin. 1. The athletic body type, 200 words. If you have an athletic body, characterized by well-defined muscles, broad shoulders, and a narrow waist, you are in luck. Most styles will look good on you, but there are some guidelines to enhance your muscular frame. Opt for well-fitting clothes that accentuate your solid build, such as tailored jackets, polo shirts, and slim-fit trousers. Avoid overly loose or baggy clothing, as they can hit your well-earned physique. Pay attention to the length of your sleeves and pants. An inch above the wrist and a slight break at the shoe's top will create a tailored appearance. V-necks and crew necks will showcase your broad S. Hooders without overwhelming your frame. Invest in a good pair of well-fitted jeans, as they can be your go-to for casual occasions. 2. The slim body type, 200 words. If you have a slim body type, characterized by a narrow frame and minimal muscle definition, the key is to create visual bulk and proportion. Choose clothes that add dimension and structure to your physique. Layering is your friend, as it helps create the illusion of more volume. Opt for well-tailored blazers or jackets with shoulder padding, as they can add breadth to your upper body. Horizontal patterns, such as stripes or checks, can create the appearance of width. Additionally, choose slightly wider lapels, which can add visual weight to your frame. When it comes to pants, opt for slim or straight-cut trousers to avoid overwhelming your silhouette. Avoid overly baggy clothing, as it can make you appear even slimmer. 3. The heavy-set body type, 200 words. If you have a heavy-set body type, characterized by a fuller midsection and larger proportions overall, the focus should be on creating balance and minimizing the appearance of extra weight. Embrace a more structured look with tailored clothing. It will help streamline your silhouette. Avoid wearing tight-fitting clothes, as they can accentuate your midsection. Opt for darker colors, as they are more slimming, and vertical patterns, which help elongate your frame. A well-fitted blazer or sport coat can give you a more defined shape. Consider layering with lightweight fabrics if you want to add some depth to your ensemble. Avoid oversized accessories, as they can make you appear heavier. 4. The taller body type, 196 words. If you have a taller body type, it's all about creating balance and proportion. Embrace clothes that break up your height and draw attention to different parts of your body. Opt for well-fitted cloth with defined shapes to avoid appearing lanky. When it comes to choosing patterns, vertical stripes can help break up your height, while horizontal patterns can widen your frame. Experiment with different cuts of trousers, such as straight leg or slightly tapered, to prevent your legs from appearing too long. Layering can also help create visual interest and add dimension to your overall look.